Take your change. Hey, good dancer. 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 Your water. Now your water.
Can you just take me back to the market as fast as you can?
Anything?
Please, let's just be going. Nothing really much. Just take me back to the market. No problem. Just get going. Let's go.
Okay, I know one problem. No snake be first person I carry today. I know one problem.
No problem. Please, can you just move this keke?
Okay, you don't agree.
Move, yes!
Have you sold?
I've sold half a bag, so my profit should be around 300 naira like that. But by the grace of God, before the day is over, I might sell like 2 bags or more.
Your own is even better. Look at me. It's only one of these things I've sold. Eh?
Business is slow. Business is slow. I guess because of it's the rainy season. Not like dry season when I used to sell like 3 bags or more.
I believe so. Because it's raining season, and the thing is stopping people from cooking. I'm so tired.
Look at me. Selling pure water when I'm supposed to be in school with my mates. I miss school. I miss my friends at school.
It's okay. Don't worry, everything will be fine, yeah? Yeah?
Sister, stop saying this. Stop saying this. You auntie keep on saying that everything gets fine. Why you keep on getting worse? We're still suffering up till now. Cooking to put at least food on the table. No father, no mother. But just poor orphans. I wish I could join our prayers.
Shut up. Stop saying this. I don't like it. Join. Where do you want to go? Do you know where you're going to? I don't like this thing you're saying. Thank you. Everything will be fine, yeah? 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 Bring me home.
I'm happy to eat.
Yeah?
Pure water. Buy your go pure water. Pure water. Pure water.
market to pay you. Oga, you dey waste my time. I don tell you, give me money so that I go comot for you. Abeg, you dey waste my time.
Shebi I don't tell you before, see if I see this boy, I go pay you money.
Oga, I don tire. Oga, I don tire.
What do you mean you don't tire? So what do you want me to do? How do you want me to make the money? Eh? Or make I show the money give you. Wait, if I find this boy, I go pay you.
Oga, you tell me say make I carry you come back market here. Say you go add me 600 naira. Now I don carry you come back here. Which kind problem be all this ones now? Stop me now so that I go dey comot now, oga.
Guy, relax now. Relax now. Help me make I find this boy. That wallet is very important too. If I see this boy, I go give you money.
Meaning which kind market be all this one now? Which kind trading and
Bro, I go give you money. Yeah, any amount wey be, I don't care. I will pay you. But help me fish out this boy. I need my wallet too. Yeah, I go pay you. Any amount wey be, me I go pay you. I said I will pay you. Let me find my wallet, please.
Oga, give me money. Make I dey comot abeg. Make I dey comot.
Any problem? I saw you looking trouble. Is there anything?
I'm not fine at all. I'm looking for my wallet. Did you see it?
No, I don't see your wallet.
You did not see my wallet.
No, sir.
But the last time I used it was what I bought water from you. So how come you did not see it?
I saw you bringing out 100 naira from your pocket, then giving it to me. But you put it back into your wallet, then left. Maybe you misplaced it or something.
Yeah, come. You think I'm joking with you? Eh? So you have the gut, the nerves to steal from me after leaving my change for you. Is that the right thing to do?
No, bro, I don't take your wallet, though. I don't take your wallet. I don't even see it.
What is it saying?
Slap you,
See, you better say the truth, oh, before I will raise an alarm. Oh. I'll tell everybody in this market that you stole from me, and you know what will happen to you. If you have my money, give it to me. I'm serious.
Come on with your wallet. Come on with your wallet.
See what I think I'm joking. Hold this thing, let me search him.
Come on with your wallet. So I don't like this thing. So you stop it.
Come,
I don't
stop,
like this
please.
thing
Let me
now.
search you.
Look at that. Look at. You say anything with me? You say anything? Leave me now. Give my money.
Oga, I just say this boy is steal your wallet.
Stop my body now.
I no see any wallet with this boy.
Why they talk with you? No. I can. Will you swear for him now that you didn't stay from
I
me?
no see any wallet with this boy. And I even call you sef.
No, with your wallet, though. You could leave me.
I need my wallet too. You will not like what will happen to you.
No,
Come here.
leave me
I'm talking to you. Want to carry water? Where's my wallet?
Come on with your wallet. Don't leave me now. Leave me.
You see what happened to you today?
Leave me.
Stole my wallet with my money inside of it.
It's if you wallet, they don't. You just say they don't for you.
I don't know what I got that
I beg, man. You know what I'm doing? Man, I bring for a gun. I beg.
You see, guys, he stole my wallet.
Now you
I
They're killing him! They want to kill him! I don't know. They still see somebody's wallet. Oh! They want to kill him! Oh! Oh, they're killing him! They're killing him! So, my only brother, the only son of my late parents. So, what can I know? What happened? Come and defend yourself to me. Come and tell me you did not do it. Because I am sure you did not steal that wallet. We don't steal, no, so what is it? Why did your chief forsake and desert you when you needed them the most? Chukunoso, I blame myself. I blame myself for asking you to go and hug. I shouldn't have asked you people to hug. They want my brother. They want Noso like a god. What the hell has happened? It's happening again. It's happening. Why? This is dead.
What have I done?
Sister, you need to stop crying. You can't continue like this. I know it hurts so differently to see our beloved brother being hurt. But why, Nana? Why? Let's just accept our fate. Our fate? No, so is dead. Nana, they lynched Nonso to death for no reason. Those monsters lynched my only brother to death. For what exactly? They carried down their justice on him. An innocent boy that has done nothing wrong. Because I am sure my brother did not steal. He says, this is why we should always be conscious of what we say with our mouth. What we say might make us or mar us.
What are you talking about?
I remember period before Nonso was born. He was complaining bitterly about her condition. He said that he wished to join Mama and Papa.
Jesus.
That he was tired of suffering.
Also said that.
Yes.
Why did you not rebuke him immediately?
Yes, I did several things.
And
I want him not to utter such words. So he continued, he insists. My question is, why would also admit stealing wallet? I need for them to just leave him alone. But they did not. I still killed him, Nana.
I can never get over this. He burnt my brother.
And then they killed themselves.
Just they shoot him, they didn't butcher him.
It's just as if I'm dreaming.
And then they burnt him.
As if I'm dreaming. Sis.
They burnt my brother.
As if I'm dreaming.
They burnt him for
Pamela, like I was saying, if you allow a man to preside over everything, he will so toy with you, he will so toss you around emotionally and otherwise.
That's true. But you see, I am blessed with the best man.
Oh.
My husband is not like that. In fact, he is kind and loving. He is the kind of man every woman would want.
Oh. Anyways, you might not be far from the truth, though. It might be what you portray him to be. But then, you know your husband is not a rich man. And cheating is not for an average man on the street because he doesn't have what it takes to cheat.
That's a lie.
Baby
That's
girl.
not true. Listen, let me tell you. Some average men cheat too. But there's something about my husband. He doesn't cheat. He doesn't smoke. He doesn't drink alcohol. The good and most exciting part of it is that he goes to the market to buy food stuff for the family. Cooks, washes the plates, and washes my daughter's dirty clothes and mine.
Are you being serious?
Mhm.
And you call that one a husband?
Yeah.
Oh, baby girl, that's not a husband, that's a wife. And obviously you're the husband here. Yes. Before now, I never knew that Kevin could be a woman rapper.
Shut it.
Baby girl, let me tell you something.
Shut up. Watch your tongue.
Watch which
Don't
tongue?
say nonsense about my husband.
Watch which tongue,
I'm not
baby
going to
girl.
allow it.
So let me tell you something. How could you subject your husband to such chores that is meant for you and your child's nanny? That's not nice. You know what? Just put your husband to test to see if he will fall for it or not. And let me tell you something. Promiscuity is not cheap. You get that? It's not cheap at all.
For once, I thought you have something meaningful to say, but you just blabbing rubbish.
So I didn't make any sense to you.
No, you're so senseless at this moment. You don't talk about people's marriage. Yeah, I can decide to have my home the way I want it. You don't come and teach me how to run my home.
Mama, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, my dear. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Good to know. Pamela, you're supposed to go to the city today, so why are you still here?
Mama, I will still travel back to the city. Just that Debbie, my girlfriend, came to visit me. But don't worry, she will see me off to the park.
Okay.
Yes, Mama.
Okay. Greet your husband and my granddaughter Chioma for me, yeah?
Oh, okay. Mama, you've said this a million times.
Hey!
Debbie, please you always come to look after my mother whenever you are in this village. Oh, you know I'm a married woman. Cannot always visit the village.
What are friends for? You don't need to inform me.
Hey,
I know what to do.
Keep coming till you get it.
What do you mean by that?
No, I'm not working. But you're not married. Are you married? Let me go and get my bag. Go for my house. Ask me. Pamela, come and go back to your husband's house.
I see that checking the time for you.
I don't want to live with her. Please, I'm happily married. That settles it.
I'm waiting for you.
Excuse me. I've come to collect my balance.
Okay, come on.
What's this?
It's your change now.
I bought Akam. How much is Akam?
It's 100 naira.
I bought 4 pieces of Akam. You're giving me this.
You gave me 500. This one is your change.
No! I gave you 1,000 naira. Am I a kid? I don't know the difference between 1,000 naira and 500 naira again.
Madam, it's 500 that you gave me.
Sorry, madam. Nene, are you sure it's 500 naira that she gave you?
Auntie, you can check in that pocket.
But madam, it's just 500 naira that is here. Have you sold something else today?
500 naira. Keep supporting your sister. At the end, she will end up being like Nonso. I've dashed you this money, but you will vomit it in a hard way. No, she now, idiot.
Hey, baby, you look good.
Mama, thank you. All thanks to Richard.
Who is Richard?
My fiancé.
Ah,
Yes, Mama.
you don't mean it. Do you mean your fiancé? That's why you're looking good like this.
Yes, Mama.
Richard is the reason you're just glowing this way.
I mean, Mama, my Richard is all shares of awesomeness.
Hey.
Yes. Oh, wait, let me shock you.
Hey.
Mama, take. Just manage it.
You say, all this I should manage?
Yes, Mama.
Hey! Hey,
Mama, it's nothing. There is more to where this is coming from. My husband-to-be is strikingly rich. I mean, his money cannot finish.
Hey! God will continue to bless you and Richard, though.
Amen.
Hey!
Amen.
Hey!
Mama, I hope Pamela and the husband usually send stuff to you. I mean, money and foodstuffs.
Not at all, my dear.
Ah.
Before they send the token, I must have complained and complained. What do I do, poor widow like me?
Habana, Mama, that's not nice. That's bad. I mean, Pamela should use her head. If you don't pressure men, they won't know what to do. I mean, they won't know how to take good care of you. Always complaining, this and that. I don't get it. You should talk to her. You should talk to her.
I will call her and talk to her.
That's not nice. Anyways, Mama, I just came to inform you that I'll be traveling to the city tomorrow morning.
Hey, Mama.
Yes.
Oh, God, you've done so well.
Thank you.
Please, if you see Pamela, tell her all we have discussed. You hear?
Definitely, Mama. I will do just that. But Mama, promise me you'll be taking good care of yourself.
I will. I will. Comfort. My daughter has been posted to the city.
Oh.
She will be with you and Pamela very soon.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Wow, that's nice. Okay, I will see you then.
Yes, you will. God bless you, my daughter.
Thank you.
Amen. God bless you.
Amen.
Oh, Imedana Mobi.
Hi, sis. I'm at the park right now. I'll probably arrive in the morning. You know what? Just text me the address in case maybe network goes bad or my phone goes off. Yeah, I just want to have it on my phone. Thank you. Please send it now. Bye.
Kelvin, where is the pouch?
Can't you at least greet? I mean, a good woman sees her husband return back from work and greet him and not bombard him with wisdom. I mean, what kind of woman are you?
What you're saying is totally different from what I'm talking about.
Oh, really?
Yes, really. Kelvin, where's the pouch?
You don't even care about me. All you care about is the pouch. You can take the bag. The pouch is in there.
Oh my God. Kelvin, do not mess with me. If I don't see this pouch, you will see the other side of me. In fact, you are going to experience the ugliest part of me. Don't try me. Onofia, what am I even doing here? What am I doing in this kind of house? This miserable house that is filled with suffering. Is this where I'm supposed to be? Ewu Cambia.
I'm not going to kill myself because I married you.
Maybe you will kill yourself, oh. Ewu Siana. In fact, you're a dead man. You're a madman, in fact. What is this? When I could have simply married a rich man that knows how to spoil a woman. No! You brought me into poverty. Everything about you smells of poverty. This house, poverty, suffering everywhere.
So what are you still doing in my house? Yeah? Go! Since I'm not good enough. Nonsense.
Hey! Come outside and answer me. You are in there hiding. Kevin, come outside and answer me. I don't blame you. You're exchanging words with a woman, shameless he-goat. But let me see you touch me tonight. Can you be against him?
Eh?
Yes.
Don't even play with me. Don't even play that game with me. You see that body, I love you so much. As a matter of fact, I married you with my hard-earned money. Your body belongs to me. It's mine.
Okay, you're a madman. You gave the money to my elders. Did you pay it into my account? When you paid my diapers, did you pay for my body? I'm not fair. Come out and touch me tonight. Can't tap against it. I will chop off your ears. There's no place for you in this house, so buy me that pouch. Kevin, you must provide that pouch. Stupid man. Come now, come close. Come also to work. I will burn you with the Holy Ghost fire. No fear. I better come on. I better come on. Where is that man? Where is that Kevin?
How can I marry a fellow man as a wife? How did I even get myself into this? Lovemaking is no longer an option. Well, let me try one more time.
Don't.
What is it?
What is wrong with you? Are you not supposed to be my wife?
Kevin, if you touch me again this morning, you see what I'll do. Napuala.
Listen, you're my wife. Allow me to enjoy. That was why I married you. Allow me to enjoy this whole thing.
Yeah? You think I'm joking with you? Hey, Kevin, who is your wife? Who is your wife? A wife you cannot take care of?
What's that supposed to mean?
Is that one your husband? Look at this one. Are you a madman? Ordinary pouch of 3,000 naira. She cannot afford. And you want to touch me. You want to me. Don't have fear.
Baby, so this whole drama is all about pouch. What is pouch? I get this thing is just a misconception.
Where is it? Where is it? Where is the pouch?
I bought it. Check that poly bag. I'm sure I bought it.
Poly bag I checked last night.
Baby.
Where is the pouch? Try and touch me again.
Baby,
if you will not see obituary.
Well. Check it very well. Shake it. If I pour everything, you will see it inside. I'm 100% sure that I bought that pouch.
Are you playing with me this morning? Or you're forgetting what I can do?
Baby, I don't like how you're keeping me. See, Odogu is standing up and you're just
and so?
Is it the time to
Odogu that cannot buy pouch, is that one not audio? Eh?
But I was able to pay your dad at least.
In the past, old glory, old money, old taker. I will chop off your ear. Oh, what have you got this man? Who is your wife? You're mistaken. My friend, your wife is in Yaba. Hey! Kevin! Kevin! Kevin!
Pamela, what is it? Why are you shouting my name?
I am shouting. Allah Boboge. Kevin said I'm shouting. Me, Pamela. I don't blame you. See how you're looking like a confused man this early morning. Oga, where is the pouch you said is in this bag? Because I can't find it. Where did you keep it?
Pamela,
I
had a hectic day yesterday. Moreover, I need to go get ready for work.
That work will kill you. You see that work? Walk my foot. Look for the pouch. Okay, you think I'm daft. You decided to play yourself yesterday thinking you have fooled me. You're a very stupid man. Give me that pouch this morning.
Isn't it too early for you to start dragging for a wall? If he's not there, that means he got lost or something. I don't know. Just check the poly bag very well. But if he's not there, then I don't know where it is.
You got lost. Why didn't you get lost? Why didn't you get lost instead of the pouch? Calvin.
Pamela, listen. There's a limit to what I can take from you. Okay? I'm your husband. I should pay me all due respect. If you play with me this morning, you won't like what I'll do to you.
Oh God, shut up.
do your worst. Husband man, do your worst.
You're pushing me.
Damn!
You're pushing me.
Damn! Do your worst. Is it not you? Or what was it for? Are you kept anywhere else? Okay, do your worst. There's no place for the wicked. Kevin, you must beat me. There's no beat me, shameless man. You're not going anywhere. Beat me. You're not going anywhere. Look at him. Shameless, idiotic woman. Ojemo Dirego. Liar of the whole universe.
Pamela, allow me to breathe.
Breathe what? You cannot breathe. Why will you breathe?
Don't let me do something stupid and crazy.
Ah, you want to do something crazy? I am. Do it. Can you show me?
Have you completely gone bonkers or what?
You're holding my clothes. Then I've gone bonkers. I've gone bananas. In fact, I've lost it. Do your worst. Where is the pouch? Why are you a liar?
Look at what you're doing the clothes that we're supposed to wear to work.
Which work? Work or work? That work should kill you. You old taker, shameless man. Which work? Work that cannot take care of me? This is work you cannot feed me or even buy ordinary pouch. You think you can play me?
But I've been doing my best and you know.
You can't be the fucking best. You're not doing the best, Calvin. You're good for nothing.
If I don't keep you in your place, you play somewhat superior to a man that married you.
Married you, not while you.
Daddy, you should stop fighting.
Auntie, please leave your husband alone.
If I slap you. Are you mad? Are you my husband? Eh? I should be my husband already. Do you want me to mess you up this morning? You don't have respect.
What's the meaning of this? Why is she not picking her call? Could something have even happened to her? Oh my God, what is wrong with this girl? How do I locate these places?
Opagi, you're not going anywhere. Gavin, where is my pouch?
Mommy, Daddy! Daddy, you should stop fighting. It's too early. Is this a life you want to live?
Why are you distracting me, this girl?
Auntie, pick up your call. It's been ringing.
Who is that mad person? Who is that unfortunate fellow? I have to deal with this fool.
I'm sure it must be Auntie Comfort.
And Console? Who has she helped? If not that my daughter would have dealt with you this morning. Gavin, kill me. Let me deal with this fool that said he's my husband. Hit me.
Auntie, please.
Gavin, don't respect me. Hit me.
Don't let me hit you.
Hit me. You're sounding like a sax
Stop this.
Gabby!
I will hit you. Stop.
Hit me! Gabby, hit me! Do your worst, hit me! Shameless up on me, hit me!
What is all this?
Lemon! Now you for come now! For come now you to design your destiny!
Pamela!
Who? Mugu! Says it be like waiting the gods to even reject.
What kind of disgusting attitude is this? You're still doing this?
Say this, Mumu! I said I tell her something! You don't follow me there again here!
At this time of the morning? This early? You're busy chasing your husband? What is wrong with you?
You see that guy? He get luck. I'm for teach and lesson. I'm for mother am. I'm for mother and blessing. As if you say that guy no get sense.
You haven't changed one bit.
Come, you dey crazy.
Is this what you do before your little child?
I dey talk, you dey phone, you dey talk. You know they fear. I go use this bottle to design your face. I go forget say you be my sister. Come. Catapult yourself. Just pocket yourself now. If you no want go back to where I don't even know that movie place if they come. Say as it be. Say you this man, it never end. I dey wait for wife. Me? I be out the husband go kill you today.
No, I'm not having this. Pamela!
Nene, please, with everything that has happened, we need to be careful how we relate with people around the neighborhood. The ones you least expect will surprise you the most.
It's true. But if it's what happened the other time, that woman is lying. Everybody knows her in this village. She's a troublemaker. That woman gave me 500 naira and turned around and said it's 1,000. A whole 1,000. Can you beat that?
So it was actually 500 naira that she gave you. Who knows what she must have told our neighbors? She must have said something to them. Because if you look closely, our business has not been doing well ever since what befell Nonso happened.
Says you're right. But this is the more reason you don't need to listen to anyone. I don't care about what they say. I don't look at people's face again. Everybody has their own share of shortcomings. I still have this strong belief that Nonso was innocent. But it might be a conspiracy.
Conspiracy? From where? And how? Nene, who did we offend?
Sis, the world is wicked. You don't need to offend anyone before they plot your downfall.
Downfall? But we're on the ground already, Nene. Where else do we fall to?
Seems you don't know people. As long as they are causing you pain, they are happy.
There is no doubt in what you're saying.
That is why I don't care about what people think or talk. If they like, let them stop buying things from us. I don't care. But I'll go back to working.
That will be over my dead body. That you go back to Hawking. The same Hawking that brought the end of Nonso. Come on, Nene. You can't say that. Worst comes to worst, we will relocate. Get a fresh start where nobody knows us.
Do you have money?
I will borrow. I don't mind borrowing. I will borrow.
I think you should borrow to add to our existing business than to borrow to back. If you add money to this business, I think we will make more profit. But if you borrow to back, there's a tendency that you're paying back with your capital. And you will fall back again.
I don't know what else to do.
Please don't worry. I believe very soon God will vindicate us, okay?
I don't want you to say you want to hug.
No, I'm not hug.
Don't ever say that again. If I say it again.
Sorry.
I'll say it again.
I'm sorry. I will not hug, okay? I will not hug. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Just so sorry.
I am highly disappointed in you both. Is this what you're teaching your child?
Tells this shameless he-goat of a man that does not keep to his words. A man that cannot keep to his words. That one a man? No! That one a mogul.
Sis, this is not how we were raised. Just take a good look at yourself. Suddenly you've become a tout in your neighborhood? Why?
Thank God you witnessed it. That's the least of what I see from her every day.
Listen, spouses are supposed to show mutual respect and understanding for a marriage to work out.
Wait, I don't understand. Do I call this marriage counseling? That is to say, you came all the way to my house to counsel me about marriage. Lady Grace, you don't get sense? As for you, this has not ended. I just want to calm down. Make I reload. When I have your time, you will know. Take and play first.
Look at what I married.
In-law, don't worry. I'll talk with her privately and I'm sure she will come around.
You say?
Comfort, you talk as if you don't know your sister. She will not.
What do I see they talk for there?
I practically do everything for her, yet she is not happy.
I don't want to hear my name, oh. You know better, not just upset me, oh. Comfort. What is this? Is this marriage? Is this life? How did I get myself entangled with that poverty-cursed man? All in the name of marriage. Even na juju that guy use. Na juju. If not, why would I, in my right senses, agree to be his wife? Me that hates poverty. I hate poverty so much, I feel irritated around it. It's alright. I'm just going to find a way and get out of that marriage. It's not for me because God cannot create me, make me this beautiful to stuck in poverty. Never! God not gonna make me find like this, make her for day for inside that poverty. The struggle, manage, it's not even manageable. Oh, take her. Boro.
Barman. Hello, who is here? Barman. Hello. Is there nobody here?
Hello. Hi.
Are you the one selling it?
No, not really. While waiting for the barman to answer you, you can start with this. Well, my name is Pamela, but my friends call me Pammy.
Pammy.
Yes. They call me Pammy Nwa. That is to say, Nwa nebe go debe. Nwa wali yacho. You gotta go. You know.
Well, I'm sorry, Pammy. I don't do prostitutes. Yeah. I'm an engineer on duty and I just came here to have drinks while I wait for my boys. So, Pammy, if you don't mind, please, you can leave. Who's here?
I am not your spec. Are you sure? Why not take off your spec so you know your spec? Are you sure you don't want all
Who
of
is
this?
here?
You don't want all of this goodness?
Can you please leave?
Actually, let me turn around for you. Feel free. Feed your eyes. Enjoy.
Who is here? Hello? Is there nobody here?
Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out?
Abba, sis, not again.
Huh?
Come for. Have you gone? Not. Allegedly, I'm your elder sister. Only go to. Mind how you position your mouth to talk to me.
And you have
Go
to
to the happy baby.
For crying out loud. Age has nothing to do with this. Maturity does. You have a beautiful family. Why are you doing all of this?
Thank God you're seeing things yourself. Only God knows what I'm passing through in the hands of your sister. She comes back every night, reeking of alcohol and cigarettes.
What? Sis, you smoke?
Allegedly, as a retired soldier, but not tired. I'll retire to my room. Tomorrow, I don't mark your face. I will deal with both of you.
Let me. You know what? Just go inside and take your disgraceful self inside.
I can't do this anymore. I can't. I'm going to leave this toxic marriage.
Can you just stop it? I know she's become a thorn on your flesh. But come on, you have to understand. I feel like she's acting under the influence of something. I think she's been hypnotized. All she needs from you right now is your love and your care. That's all.
Comforting as much as I trust your advice and encouragement. I'm not game with this. After going through a hectic day in my office, I come back home to face another boss. Really? I'm going to die before my time.
No.
For how long will I continue living such a hard life?
It won't get to that. I promise. I'll talk to her. She will come around. Okay?
I've heard that so many times. Million times, as a matter of fact. No, I can't do this. I can't.
What are you saying? What are you saying, for God's sake? You are the man here. You're telling me you want to leave your wife and your child? For what? For God's sake, you are the man here. And as the man, you should stand undeterred. You have a responsibility towards your wife and your child. Are you supposed to just leave them and walk away because there's a little thing going wrong? It should be the woman clamoring to leave, not the other way around.
Isn't it obvious that the reverse is the case here? She is the husband and...
Are you the wife?
Hey, her line is still not connected. It's still saying the same thing. Not reachable. Let me even try her sister Comfort. Maybe she will have vital information to give to me about her sister. Her line is ringing. Comfort one is ringing. Hello, Comfort. How are you people? I am not fine at all. When last did you hear from your sister? What kind of problem is this? How can Pamela relocate without telling even you her sister? I'm beginning to get worried. What did she do? You are not serious, are you? I will not forget about her. I will not forget about my daughter. I want to hear from my daughter and find out if everything is okay with her. Hey. No comfort. No. Huh?
Oni baby. Oni baby. Come on now, smile now. Oni, smile for me now. Oni, I've been asking you for a while now to be my babe. Come on now, and you've been giving me red lights. It's not nice now,
Chidi, I've told you many times that I am not interested in dating you.
Oni, come on. Look, I have money. Do you want you and your sister to be suffering like this? It's not cool.
But I told you. I've told you many times that I am not interested in you or your money. Look, Chidi, I have something to attend to inside. I don't want to disrespect you by walking out on you.
Women. Come on, Oni. This is money. Just say yes to me. Say yes to Chido and all this will be yours. Come on now.
What part of I am not interested don't you understand? Is it until I scream?
Come on now, Oni. I mean, you're a fine girl. Fine girls like you are not supposed to be getting angry now. You want to wrinkle your face?
Chido, that's enough. I said I am not interested. And I will never be interested.
Oni, you see all this, your attitude. This is the exact reason I'm into you. Come on, I don't want any other babe. It's you I want. Be my baby. Let me take care of you. Let me eat my money. There's money to be spent on you, baby. Oni.
When you're done standing there, you get the hell out of my shop.
Oni, come now. Come. Okay, anyway. Let me just go to the site and check on those boys and see how they are doing. I got you, and I'll come back for you. Okay? Alright, Chido. I'll get you.
Is that money? You rejected money.
If I slap you, if I sound you, how many times will I tell you not to use money as a yardstick to measure people?
Even if you don't like that guy, at least you could have pretended and collect that money.
You know
you need that money.
Respect yourself. If you need the money, run after him and collect it from him. Whatever you see, you take. Listen, I know we are going through a lot at the moment. But that will not push me to stoop too low in searching for the money.
Sis, leave all these things now. Which one is still too low? We are poor. It's obvious. We are very poor. I'm not even eating this again. I've not paid my school fees. And my rent is due. What else do you want?
So I should kill myself because you've not paid my school fees?
Sis, man, this is your husband. I don't see him.
Oh! Get out from here!
Kevin!
Sis, what's going on? You look troubled. What's happening?
Cut it! Cut the pretense! I'll see so.
So Kelvin is located with my daughter. Both of you planned it. Cannot tell me your sister, Pamela.
What are you talking about?
My bad sister.
What are you saying?
Kelvin has located with Choma, my daughter. Heaven will come down.
Oh my God.
Earth will come down. Dead body go surplus.
I swear, sis.
Obituary everywhere.
I had no clue about this. I had no idea.
You did not tell you. Are you not informed?
You know what? Let me just call him.
I need cookies.
You want cookies?
Yes.
Joma, you know we just moved into this place. I don't know where they sell cookies around this area. Okay, but I promise you, when coming back from work tomorrow, I'm going to buy you cookies. Enough. Okay?
I need it now. Since we packed it here, I haven't tested it.
If you insist, then go fetch Amaka. Okay?
Samir.
Amaka. Joma says she wants to eat some cookies. Okay, take this money, right? Just go down the street, look for a place you will buy her cookies, okay? Let her go with you, okay? So she can make her choice.
No problem. Thank you, Dad.
Ha! Pam pa 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 la la la. Special announcement. Anybody
Nobody that knows Kevin.
Can you just bring
You
your voice down?
tell him
It's
to bring
ringing.
my daughter, I go kill him.
The phone is ringing. Bring your voice down.
Kevin, I'll kill you.
Hello? Kevin, good evening.
Good evening, Comfort. How are you doing?
Not so good. We came back and we noticed yourself and Choma left the house. We just saw the note you left here. Please, where are you?
We have gone very far away from Pamela and her insensitivity. Let her move on with her life, since she prefers a very wealthy man. She's as free as a bird. Nothing is stopping her now from having the kind of life she so desires.
You're a madman. Bring my daughter. Bring Choma, my child I carried for 9 months in my womb. Oh, Kevin, if you try me, don't try you. I got down in jail.
Did you say your daughter? No child will choose a mad dog like you. Choma chose to come with her father rather than stay with an unreasonable human being like you. Pamela, you are a disgrace to motherhood.
Yeah, mumu man. Bring my daughter, Kevin. Obituary, Kevin. Even God cannot save you. Kevin, I will descend on you. Useless fool, vagabond, bastard.
Your insult no longer means nothing to me. I'm done with you. I will go all out and get Choma a very good stepmother who is going to love and take care of her.
You say waiting, you dey craze. Isn't it a play? Kevin, try am. I will send you to prison. Can do it. Kevin, try me. That's the biggest mistake.
Can you just stop talking?
I will kill you.
Yes,
my daughter. You see, Kevin, I go win her. I will sue you to court, Nganga everywhere.
Pamela, who are you talking to exactly? For a call that has ended?
You are an idiot.
Does it look like Kevin sitting here? The call has ended.
You know, quick talk now.
You see what I've been telling you?
I see.
Now he has left you. If only you had listened to me. Look at you. Just take a good look at your life. At this age, you're already a divorcee. Do you know what that means for you?
See, I will find girl normally. That guy, you know, sign paper marry me. Borrow money, pay my bike. Right? Now borrow post, no worry. And they get her clear. Does it mean I don't have access to my own daughter? Ha! Wala. Well, what do we do?
We? Did you just say we? Really? Very funny. You think this is a comedy show? There is no we here. It is you. When I was telling you to curtail your excesses, you refused to listen to me. You asked me to mind my own business. Now that all your stupid actions has boomeranged, you're coming back to say we? No. Carry your cross by yourself. Don't put me join your family business, I beg.
You don't have to say that.
It's unfair. Even if you don't care about me. Don't you care about your little niece?
Mm-hmm. Since you remember Choma, you should also remember that Choma is with her father. Mm. So, it means she's in safe hands. You have nothing to worry about. I'm sure Kevin will take very good care of her. Anyway, I feel like Kevin is just trying to, teach you a little bit of lesson. So that when you finally settle, you will learn how to respect and appreciate him. My take though, that's my own take.
I don't think so. I've never seen him act this way. But what do I do next? I don't know what next to do. I'm afraid.
You should know what to do. You, Pamela, afraid. Since when did you begin to fear?
Today. And they get them clear.
Okay. But trust me, since you started to get yourself clearly and you are now thinking, you should also think of what next to do. Because when you were acting silly and irrational, you didn't know that you would think, this particular day will come. No, you didn't. So start thinking fast so that you know how to solve this situation we have on ground. You know what? Kevin has really tried. I think you should just give him a break, okay?
I think I should tell Mama.
What will you tell Mama? That you used your own two left hand and your two left leg to destroy your marriage before you even started.
No, calm down. Mama is not like you. See, I will tell Mama that I am no longer with Kelvin and he ran away with my daughter. Yes,
are you even okay? Are you okay, Pamela?
Yes, no. Now maybe Pamela. Sharp girl.
I can see that thing called change can never get to you. No, I'm beginning to understand it. In this same situation, you're still thinking like this?
Yes, I'm just going to meet Mama. Tell her everything.
But make sure you add how you destroyed your home by yourself. Don't forget that part. It's very important.
I didn't do anything. Kevin just wants to be mean to me. I'll get my daughter back.
When will Mom come and join us?
Don't worry, my beautiful angel. You are going to see your mom soon, okay?
How so, Dad? I know my mom troubles you a lot. And I don't like how she fights you always. Thereby embarrassing you in that neighborhood. Everyone knew my mom and dad used to fight all the time.
Do you like how we always fought?
No, Dad. I'm even ashamed witnessing that.
And that is more reason why we need to stay apart. If not for anything, but for peace of mind. Peace is everything.
Dad, do you want to get another mommy for me?
My state of mind cannot carry another woman. I'm not in the mood to have another woman in my life. I need some rest for my sanity's sake. Okay. Don't worry. Come. What is it?
You look troubled.
No, I'm fine. Why do you say that?
Then why are you lost in thought?
Chum, I'm tired. I'm just here trying to receive some ventilation.
Is it because of Mom? Don't worry, everything will be fine.
Choma, you are a blessing to me. And not just that, you are a treasure. And I will protect you at all costs, even if it means me losing everything that I've labored for all these years for your sake. Then I'm a winner.
Thank you, Dad. You are the best dad in the whole world, and I'll surely make you proud.
Oh, I know you will make me proud. Come here. I know you will make me proud. Okay?
As it stands now, there's no time for long talk. Calvin absconded with my daughter. I am yet to see Choma, my daughter, Mama.
I don't understand. You mean Kelvin ran away with my grandchild, Choma? To where exactly?
That is why I am here. I don't know. Mama Biko, call Kevin on the phone. Tell him to bring back my daughter before
No, Sister Pamela. Come on. You're getting it all wrong.
I don't understand. What are you saying? Were you not the one who advised we come here to see Mama? So that she can call him to return Choma, my child?
Yes, I did.
Okay.
Yes, I did. But you're going about it the wrong way. This presentation is ash. It's the wrong approach. You need to admit that you caused the rift between your husband and yourself. And that's the major reason he left in the first place.
Yeah? On whose side are you actually?
On the side of truth.
Really?
Mm.
Obviously, you're forgetting that I'm your sister.
So
you should support me, whether right or wrong. We're family.
So because you're my blood, I should just let it go. Really? I should support the perpetrator because he or she is my blood? Are you seriously serious right now?
Wow.
Well, I will not do that.
I don't blame you. It's not your fault at all. I blame myself for accepting your lousy and stupid advice.
Well,
just look at how you just turned against me all of a sudden.
I have nothing to say to you. I blame Kelvin 100%. He didn't do his research properly because if he did, he would not entangle himself with somebody like you.
Did you hear your daughter? Mama, did you hear your daughter?
Up.
Makama PIC. No, you're forgetting who I am.
Shut up, Comfort.
I will just scatter your head this hot afternoon. In Apuala. Perpetrate. No. Nonsense. Tell Calvin to return my daughter, not Apuala.
Comfort. Why are you talking back at your elder sister?
And
how can you be supporting a total stranger over your own sister? Eh?
Mama, all of a sudden, Kevin has become a stranger. Your own in-law. A stranger, Mama. I'm disappointed. But you shouldn't sit here and take sides. You should do what is right and tell her what is right. Excuse me.
Okay. Allegedly now you are supporting Kelvin. Omaka. I am done. I am done with Kelvin. I don't want to see the face of that animal whenever I wake up. I don't want to see the face of that unfortunate fool lying beside me every morning. I told him, I'm done with him.
How about your marital vow?
Marital vow? That lousy vow I made with Kelvin. I made with that unfortunate fool. Mama, please don't go there because that vow has cost me nothing but sadness, bitterness, poverty, suffering. I am done marrying him. I have decided to look for a rich man that will get married to me and take proper care of me. That is what I've decided to do with my life this time.
You want to remarry? Then why are you demanding for your daughter? Which man will marry you with another man's child?
Hey, let me answer you. I am made in the image of God. I am made in the likeness of God. God cannot destine me to be a wife to that wretched man. There are thousands of men that will get married to me. They will love me and love my daughter. They will love everything that comes with me. Yes, but you see that Calvin, I will not allow him to have my daughter. I'll do what possible. Never!
Choma is his daughter. Even in the court, he will win you.
So stop getting yourself paranoid over nothing.
Mama, Choma is my daughter. I carried her in my womb for 9 months. Choma is my daughter. I have the same right as Calvin. I will not allow him to have her. He can't bring in another woman to maltreat my daughter to death. Not when I'm still alive, Mama. I will not let that happen. Kelvin will have to give me my daughter for peace to reign. Failing to do that, Mama, Audrey, I will burn him alive. I will set everywhere ablaze. I will burn Kelvin, burn his generation.
Is Kelvin planning to remarry? As in, getting another wife?
He didn't tell you. Mama, that's what he told me. Said he wants to get another wife. And it's none of my business.
So Kevin has planned to remarry. Huh?
Mama, my daughter. Tell Kevin to give me my daughter. There will be no peace for him. Tell Kevin to hand over my daughter to me. Mama, tell Kevin to give me my daughter. Kevin, give me my daughter.
What's the meaning of this? When you are done crying, wipe away your tears.
Mama, that is what you are saying. There is no peace for the wicked, There is no peace even for you in that house. Tell Kevin to give me my child.
My name is Choma.
Let's see. No, don't worry. It's my gift to you. Alright, thank you. Also pick one biscuit. Really? Yeah. Thank you. I love this soap. You're free there. Come on, let's go.
No.
Oh, let's go!
Well, Auntie, don't allow her to.
You cannot stay outside by yourself now. Let's go! No, Auntie. The father is very mad at me. I'm expected to be with her always. Please, try to understand.
It's okay, I understand. Of course I do.
Choma, please, let's go. Please.
You try to say, okay? Please, I promise. Please, in fact, you were going to stay and play with me as long as you want.
Don't worry, I'll bring you back. Let's go. Yeah. Thank you, Mom. Bye.
Oh, well, that's good news. That's fine for you. Well, you do not need to tell me that because she is my daughter, and I know the best way to take care of her. As a matter of fact, we don't miss you. Loser. Can imagine. My beautiful angel. What is it? You look worried. What's the problem?
No, Dad. Is it Mom?
Yes.
Don't worry, I'm working out something.
You're working out something. What could that be?
Don't worry, everything will be fine.
Hope is not what I'm thinking. If she wants to compare me to reunite with her mom, no, that won't work.
Look who we have here. Hello, Angel. How are you?
Can't try something.
Okay, please have it.
No, I'm here because of you.
Because of me?
Yes.
Okay, sweet.
You're beautiful with the chance of heart.
Thank you very much. I appreciate that.
You're welcome. Auntie, what is your name?
My name is Onyinyechi.
What is the meaning of the name?
Well, Onyinyechi means God's gift, but my friends call me gift.
Auntie, wow, nice name. Is that why you give me gifts?
What? Oh, really? Where she?
Trauma. Trauma, where have you been?
I went to see my friend.
Your friend? You now have a new friend around here.
Yes. Dad, when is your birthday?
Why are you asking me?
Tell me now, I need to know.
Well, my birthday is next week Saturday.
I have a gift for you.
Really? What gift are you talking about?
Gift from God.
Okay, fine.
Yes, really. You will like it.
Come here. Let's go inside. Next time, don't leave the house without telling me.
How does it?
Don't run it. Don't.
Oh, that's the top. Whatever, please. Open this door.
Baby.
So you actually came back at this time of the night to attack me?
Oh, baby.
Why are you very...
Yeah, welcome. This is my man.
Where are you coming from at this time of the night?
Oh.
Are you okay?
So you mean to tell me you're coming from a nightclub?
I'm okay.
You fine?
Yeah.
Pamela, you're coming from a nightclub?
Yes. What for? Are you my mother? This is my mansion. Odogu Pamela mansion.
It's very nice. Very.
Yes,
Very
let
nice.
me devour you.
Who's that? That lady?
My younger sister.
Younger sister?
Isn't she great?
No, she's very disrespectful. Yes, she was rude to you.
I cannot see it.
Let's go inside.
Let's go inside.
This way.
Easy.
Hey. Comfort. My beautiful sister, before you go out, please tidy up the house, okay? And when my friend Benji wakes up, prepare him something very nice. Something, something very delicious. Alright,
Sister, who did this to you? Who caused you? Because you have the nerve to bring another man into your matrimonial home. And you have the guts to give him preferential treatment. Something you never even gave to your husband.
Husband. Is someone name of a place, animal or thing? The last time I checked, I don't have a husband. He ceased to be my husband the day he moved out of this house without my consent. He left willingly. So I don't have a husband. In fact, right now, I am a widow. And that is what it is.
Do you know the reason you don't have a husband? Your smelling attitude chased him away. Yes. You wanted to exploit eternity. And that's why you frustrated life out of him.
Oh my God. Wow. That's what he told you. No. I didn't do any of that he just mentioned. He moved out. Willingly, one accord. That's it. Get that food ready. Oh?
FYI, I am not cooking anything for your so-called guest. I am not his maid. In fact, since you want something for your guest, why not just stay? Wait for him to get up. When he's up, then you can go into the kitchen and make something nice and yummy and for him.
Comfort. I can see that you're beginning to banter words with me. Let me tell you, two captains cannot be in a ship. Although possible. Henceforth, start looking for a place to stay. Since you cannot obey me in my own house.
You lie. I am not going anywhere. Kevin is the owner of this house. And I'll wait for him. Anytime he asks me to leave, respectfully, I will leave. But as for you, you don't have any right to tell me to leave.
Who is Kelvin? Do you see Kelvin around this house? I run this house. This is my house. Let me go and come back and not see food in this house. Make food for my Benji. That is if you want to stay in this house. Else, I will show you the other side of me. Other colors of me you've not witnessed. You will see them. Don't try me. Nonsense.
The only color you have that you've not even shown me is the good part of you. Because the only side I've seen of you is disgusting, useless, stupid, stinking side of you. Show me the good side and then we'll talk. Stupid human being. Not only Benji, okay.
Amanda, I was supposed to do. Alright, bye. Bye. Amanda, bye. Bye.
How was school today? This school wasn't good at all. What is it? It's about my school fees. They asked me not to come back to school again if I've not paid. Tell them to give you some time. You will pay up.
That is the problem. Every time I'll be telling them I will pay.
You needed to see what they did to me today. These people made a mockery of me.
They stand me in front of everybody and ask me to be looking at them.
Nene, you know if I have that money, I would have paid it a long time ago. I've not really been making sales. Everything I bought is just all stocked up here. I'm sorry. I wouldn't want you to face such anymore. I think the best thing is to withdraw you from school just for now. When I get the money, I'll send you back to school.
Another one. Since this is off and on, I don't like it. It's really affecting me.
What would you have me do, Nene? Steal? If I am making sales, look at all the goods that I bought. If I am making sales, believe me, I will pay. Instead of you to be mocked at school, it's better you don't go at all. Listen. You will go back to school. I swear. I swear it. I'll make sure you go back to school. And I promise to pay your school fees. You will graduate with your mates. Amanda, everybody, they will not graduate before you. I swear. Just this once.
Those things. I don't know why life is so unfair to us.
It's okay.
Ever since our parents, we have been suffering. We can't even eat very well.
It's okay. It's a matter of time. I am trying my best, and you know. Hey.
You know everything will be fine.
Go and eat. I made some food. Just go home.
Choma is new. I haven't seen her since the last time she left. Maybe she acted strange before going. That's why you're asking. I pretended not to listen to you. When you were actually listening to us.
You know, I got a little pretty smart girl.
Oh, yes, she
Baby, how are you?
Fine. Good afternoon, Auntie.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Auntie.
No, it's Onyinye.
It means the same thing. Were you not the one that told me your name means gift?
Oh, my bad. So, how have you been? We missed you so much.
Who are the we?
Us, my sister and I.
How come you haven't told me? Let you hear from Cass's voice. Auntie, is it true you have been missing me?
Of course I missed you. You're such a sweet soul. Tell me, why won't I miss you?
Okay, sit down here. So, because I did not tell you specially that I missed you, you didn't believe me, right?
Yes.
Okay, I missed you.
I missed you too.
So, Angel, who's going to pay for all of this that you've taken on?
My dad will pay, trust me, okay? Write out your phone number and account number on a sheet of paper. Let me go give him. He will transfer your money as soon as I get home.
Get me a pen and paper. Are you sure your father is going to pay for everything?
Yes. Auntie, what is the best gift to give to a birthday person?
Best gift? Who is celebrating?
My daddy.
Your father?
Yes.
Okay. A card gift would do. A card gift telling him how much of a great father he's been and a great husband he's also been to your mother.
No, I want a card that will wish him a happy birthday. Just a simple card.
Of course, that we're saying the same thing. It's going to be a very simple card, but the message will be passed, telling him how much of a sweet father he's been to you, Auntie, and of a sweet husband to your mother.
Auntie, don't worry. I have my reasons. I want to buy one for you.
Me?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Happiest birthday to my beloved, amazing brother-in-law. Happy birthday.
Ex-brother-in-law.
Wow, like seriously? Anyway, I'll let it slide. But it's a happy day, so happy birthday.
So tell me, why are you smiling from ear to ear? What's making you so happy?
First off, it's your birthday. What's not to be happy about? Second of all, it's not easy for a person to, go around the sun for another 365 days. You know what that is? I mean, anyway, tell me, where are we partying?
Well, not really anything special for now, but later on I'm going to celebrate a little party with Choma and Amaka.
Oh, I'm such a bad person. I didn't even ask about my niece. How are they?
Of course, they're fine. I'm doing a good job taking care of all of them.
It's okay. It's okay.
Comfort, I would like you to do me a favor.
You know what? Anything. Today's your day, so you have a free pass.
Okay. I don't want anyone else to know where I'm leaving. Most especially your sister, Pamela. So, do we have a deal?
A deal. So tell me, what do we have planned for later?
Oh, I'm thinking of stepping out to
Well, now to the cutting of this beautiful cake. But before we proceed, we need the celebrant to please step forward. Yes. Oh, okay. Here's how it will go. We'll have to count from 3, 2, 1, and then you cut. Do you understand? So, shall we? Pick up.
Please, guys, I would like to say some few words before I proceed with the cake.
Dad, I have a gift. I want to present it before the cutting of the cake.
My darling, wait, okay? We can do that later, okay?
No, Dad, please. It's as important as cutting of the cake.
Okay. Fine. So, where is it? Where is the gift?
Okay, let me go and get it.
Oh, wait is wrong with that.
Hello, Auntie Gift. Please start coming to my house now with the birthday card. And also, you have to collect your money for the things I bought on credit. It's me. This is my daddy line. Please save it. You can reach me through this line anytime, any day. It has started already. I had to put the birthday ceremony on hold because of the card. They are all waiting. I will explain everything to you when you get here. Please.
Oh, Choma, where's the gift?
Yes, Choma. Where's the gift? Okay.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Thank you for the opportunity to speak. Dad, you have always been my hero. I am so grateful to God to be on this journey of life with you. You are my biggest fan. Your wisdom is my guiding light, and your love is the fuel for my life journey. You have been an amazing father. Thank you for the beautiful memories. And my wish for you today, as you mark another year, is...
Choma! Come on! Your speech is getting longer than time itself. Can you just help us wrap everything up in one sentence so that we can cut this beautiful cake and just eat it, please?
Thank you, Auntie. Can I continue?
Oh, yes, ma'am.
My beautiful angel, thank you so much for loving me as your father. Okay? But please, in one sentence, wrap your speech so we can proceed with the cutting of the cake.
Please.
Okay?
Okay, Dad. I have many wishes for you, but due to time constraints, I'll make just one.
Thank you.
I wish you to have another wife who can be at peace with you and who I can call my mother. And...
Auntie?
Dad, this is Auntie Gift and she's here with the gift. She's my friend and a big auntie to me in this neighborhood. I told her about her birthday and she promised to surprise me with a gift.
Aww.
Auntie Gift, is it not true? You are here of my daddy's gift, right?
How come you have a friend already in this neighborhood and I'm not aware of it?
Auntie Amaka and I usually patronized her. She's a nice person. Do you know she gave me all these drinks on credits?
I don't understand. Amaka, you mean you have been taking this girl to the neighborhood to buy things on credit?
Uncle, no. I did not even know she left the house, let alone to go and buy something from her on credit.
Dad, I mean no harm. Today is your birthday, so I wanted you to feel happy and loved. Lately, I notice you are always moody, with a whole lot going on your head. And it's affecting me.
Kevin, cut her some slack. I mean, I can relate with what she's saying. I feel all she wants is one big happy family.
My beautiful daughter, I'm so sorry for the psychological trauma that I've caused you.
Dad, it's not you. I wish I have a good mom.
Okay. Angel, this is it. Okay. Sorry, Mona. I just...
Oh, please wait. Please come back. Actually, you do not need to leave, okay? You are now part of my family. As a matter of fact, you love my daughter so much. You care for her and she appreciates you. So, please, stay.
Settled.
Oh.
What? An interesting turn of events. I mean, I did not see that coming. Quite intriguing, I must confess. Anyway, let's go back to the cake cutting ceremony. Calm down. But first off, you have to pick up the knife. On the count of 3, 2, 1, okay? So let us do this.
Let's go.
3. No, it has to be this way. So just put your hand here, like this. Okay. So 3, 2, 1, 1 equals now. Okay. Now let's go. 3, 2, 1. Yay! Yes. Oh. What are you waiting for? Please bring a tray. Let's cut this thing and eat. Bye. I love cakes. Oh, thank you. Oh my God.
What is it? Okay. Oyibo pepper.
I've been calling you since. Why didn't you pick your calls?
I'm sorry. Is that why you're frowning like this? I wanted to touch you and even pushed my hand away. Hey! I'm sorry. But you won't believe what happened today.
What happened?
You see that little girl, Choma? I think she's older than her perceived age.
I don't think so. You know, kids of nowadays can be very smart. What happened?
Nene, that girl you call little can sell you. I swear. Choma will sell you out if you're not careful. Do you remember how she sounded so sure that her dad was going to pay for all that she took?
Did he later pay?
For where? Pay for what? See what happened. I got to that place. The father now said, okay, I should join them in the celebration. I didn't know what to do. I had to join them. So tell me, which mouth was I supposed to use and ask for my money after eating and drinking?
What nonsense. Which birthday party? I'm going there now to collect our money.
Nene, leave it. I already made the mistake of going there.
Since our parents died, nobody have helped us. So nobody is going to eat our money. I'm marching there now.
Nene. So you cannot listen to me. I said you should forget about it.
Oh, no, do that one.
This is unbelievable. Nene.
What is it?
Choma's father actually sent the money.
Are you serious?
Look at it. Is this not...
Oh my God.
You see that little girl? You know, she sounded so sure and somehow I doubted her. Especially after eating and drinking in the house. I wasn't... She told me the father was going to send...
This is really amazing.
All of it. Nene.
That man is a good man.
You see, are you already gingering to fight? Smoke pepper.
Go.
So if I leave you now, you go there and fight. They'll beat you.
You don't know me.
Don't call my name. Hey. So what? Now that you've seen the money, what? Money girl.
Give me something.
Okay, what? Is it not business money?
Yes, ma.
Like what?
Dad,
Yes.
something is bothering me.
Choma, what is it?
Dad,
Listen, whatever it is that is bothering you, I need you to tell me. I mean, I'm your father and it is my duty to take care of you. That's what I promised, and I will stop at nothing but to make sure that you're fine at all times. Speak.
Dad, I know what you have been through in the hands of my mother. I feel your pains. Seriously, I do.
Choma, go to bed.
You can't continue like this.
Listen to me. You're my daughter. I want you to know that it is normal for me and your mother to have disagreements. Okay? We'll resolve our issues when it's right. So I need you to stop bothering yourself and go and sleep. You need to sleep.
Dad, you're not telling me the truth.
What other truth do you want me to say? Or you want me to fabricate stories that suit into your ears?
Is it not obvious you both couldn't cohabit? The reason you fought always. Dad, I need another mommy. A mommy I can be so proud of.
What? What are you saying?
My mother treats you badly and doesn't treat me right either. It has been you all along. My mother doesn't care about me. She doesn't care about you. She doesn't care about us, her family. Dad, do you know she smokes?
Are you serious about this? Are you sure?
Dad, I don't want such a troublesome mother who lives a careless lifestyle. She has no atom of respect and regard. Is that the kind of woman you want? I guess the answer is no. Do I need such mother? Well, I don't think so.
My angel. Good morning. Hope you slept well.
No.
Did you sleep well?
No.
Did someone just say no? Why?
I need a mom.
Okay. Understandably. Don't worry. I'll just talk to your mommy and I'll ask her to come over and stay with you guys. Okay?
I don't want her. She doesn't love me. I need another mom.
Come on. Who says she doesn't love you? Listen, your mommy loves and adores you, little princess. And trust me, I'm not just telling you this because I want to. It's because it's the only truth. She does love you.
It's Auntie Comfort. It's not true. Auntie Gift loves me so much and I love her too. She has been nothing but nice to me. I want her to be my mommy.
You cannot choose another person over your mother. That's not how it works. Okay? Come on, Choma.
Auntie Comfort. She doesn't have respect over my dad. Auntie Comfort, Auntie Gift is better.
You know what? We'll talk about your mommy issues. I promise you. But first, there goes Rapunzel. Yes. Come on, cheer up. Kevin, you look so worried. Is anything the matter?
I'm a confused person. At this point, I can't even put my life together. It seems like my whole life is in shambles.
How do you mean?
My daughter, Choma, need some parental care, not just a nanny.
I'm here. I entreat you to allow me look after her. After all, she's my sister's child. Doesn't mean if my sister is not here, I can't even take care of my niece.
Comfort, the truth is that you're a very nice, kind-hearted fellow. But you're not going to be here forever. In a few months' time, you'll be done with your youth service. I would have gone after Pamela, but I am scared of my own life. She's so toxic.
I really do not know what to say or do concerning Pamela that I haven't done or said. The truth is, I can't ask you to go after her or not. The choice is entirely yours. If there's one thing I know, every man deserves a woman who gives him peace of mind.
Pamela is a lost case. Can you imagine what my daughter told me yesterday about her mom?
What exactly did she say?
She smokes cigarettes.
She said that?
That's my point. I mean, why would she be living such a carefree lifestyle? Before her, for crying out loud, she's still a little baby.
I understand. But it saddens me to see that my poor niece is not being raised directly by her both parents.
It saddens me more to see an innocent child go through that traumatic experience of separated parents. Comfort. I think I'll go after Pamela.
Well, if that's what you've decided, then it's fine.
My baby, that was funny, right?
Yeah.
I know you're thirsty.
No, wait, baby, stop. No way. You're kidding. Go ahead. Stop.
No, just stop it.
Kevin, I suggest we go home now, okay?
Why is your sister not in there?
You know what? I think we should just go back home.
Why are you preventing me from going inside? What's the problem?
No problem. I feel like we can come back some other time. Let's let's go right now. Let's go back home, okay?
Why? My rent here is not due yet. This is still my house.
In your own best interest, I suggest we go back home now. Come, let's go, okay? Come.
I don't still get it. Is someone else occupying my apartment or something? Because that person is not going to find it funny with me.
No, come. It's you know, let's just go. We can come back some other time.
Calvin, what are you doing here? Isn't it obvious that you weren't missed at all?
I apologize from the bottom of my heart for causing you so much pain. Please find a place in your heart to forgive me, if not for anything but for the sake of our beautiful daughter. I'm sorry.
I am glad that you know you've caused me so much pain. The damage? The damage is too high.
Forgiveness isn't just about repairing the damage. It gives the opportunity to strengthen the bond between partners. Through forgiveness, couples deepen their connection and cultivate a greater sense of unity. I'm sorry.
Bravo. Wonderful speech. I like that. Calvin, that's impressive. You're lucky that I'm in a light mood. Well, because I'm a kind-hearted woman, I forgive you. But I want you to go and never return. Get lost. I do not want to see you in this house again. Serious. Serious.
Pamela, please, stop. What you're doing is not healthy for our daughter. I miss you so much and I want you back. I want us to get back together again as husband and wife. Please.
Oh. Oh, you're so funny and stupid at the same time. Get out.
Can you stop? What is wrong with you? Are you insane? Aren't you human? For God's sake. You know what, Kevin? You do not need all of this. I will not allow you to stoop this low, to this level. It's not necessary. Let's just leave this place. Let's go. Let's go. Get up. Let's leave this place. Let's go. Let's go. You don't need this. Get up. Come on.
Yes, I am not human. I am an angel. That's why I'm here. Interesting.
Let's go.
Get out.
You are insane.
You're crazy. Oh my word.
Shona, you're not serious, are you?
Auntie Gift, I've never been this serious. Please, agree to me, my mommy. Please.
I would really love to be your mother. But the circumstances surrounding everything is making it pretty difficult for me to do that.
But Auntie, if you love me, you will. All I ask is a good mom. That's all.
But you know I love you, Choma. I love you very much. Your father was once married. For that reason, I am finding it difficult to say yes to your request.
But I love you so much. I want you to be my mommy. Please, just do this one thing for me.
Oh, my love.
No. Watch this.
Okay.
My love. Forgiveness is repairing damage
Oh.
and an opportunity to strengthen bond.
Oh, baby. That was so poorly and stupid of him.
Jesus.
Like, what was he expecting?
You've been suffering.
Oh, my
I'm
word.
so sorry, baby. I'm sorry you went through that.
I went through a lot. Don't cry.
What? Who wrote that piece for him?
My sister.
Obviously.
I know.
Are you kidding me? What?
I hate him.
I hate him.
I hate him too.
Oh, my baby. You're so fine.
Thank you.
You're so sweet. You are the best. But, babe, wait. For this Nigeria we did, where hunger, mental disease just the waka up and down. 9 person come to form Romeo and Juliet. On top street babe like you.
Hmm?
Huh?
You dey crazy? Something they worry you for head. You blind. Then plaster your eyes. Are you mad? You look me from head to toe. I resemble street girl for your eye. I go change them for you.
Why you dey do like this, self now? You know say me I know say you na street girl you be.
You see they talk. You get mouth they talk. Who be this guy? They call me street girl.
Na street girl you be now.
I be street girl. Relax. Chillax. I go show you how street girls they behave.
No, now, baby, sorry. Oh, my baby.
You want come out for this house?
My darling, oh, my
guy.
sugar. Baby, calm down now. What? No, baby. No.
What is they smoke? Who be plug?
My love.
I go
no, now. Baby, you know the street babe now.
Not try.
Drop.
Baba, I love you.
Nah, love,
I no go chop insult.
Just drop.
Try.
Drop the glass first.
Oh, yeah, talk where?
No.
Begin they talk where?
Baby.
They talk where? Make I dey hear. I want
Nothing-
to feel am.
Baby,
I want to feel am. Body
baby,
the pepper.
baby.
Body the pepper. I want to feel am.
Hear me, make I drop these lines.
Oh, yeah, talk am.
Baby.
Wetin?
Nothing concern you concern street.
You mean now?
I dey tell you, what be street for where you dey now?
Ah, your father.
Na face you be. My love. See as you dey shine, see as you dey glow. Make I tell you something. For this whole life, my mama no fine like you.
Your mama, papa.
All of who dem be? See as you fine.
They don't chop.
Queen Elizabeth,
Eh.
she supposed to clean your legs.
Oh my God, I love that one.
If she die, her husband go do am.
Wow.
If the husband die, her children go do am.
Aww.
You two make sense.
Aww.
Sometimes, I go to ask myself, say this toilet wey we get for this house, use the.
You're not supposed to get toilet.
You the shit. The way you find you the shit.
I didn't mad.
You too. You too make sense.
If I try, I might die.
How?
I feel try. Who goes me?
Skin like milk.
Now
bone they bone you.
with touch of honey.
I know.
Sweet in the
I
middle.
know. Oh, baby. You want off me?
I know, baby.
I feel die for you.
No die. I still need you alive.
Okay. If I die, I go leave him.
That place they sweet me.
Oh, my love.
You know you are a very stupid boy.
When my tears is dropping like a rain, I don't know what to do. I'm lost, I'm lost. Please tell me what to do. My heart is full of pain. My heart is full of pain and agony. I am being accused of what I don't know. Oh, so I deep it don't know me. Onyeka muka koro. So I deep it don't know me. Onyeka muka wapuru. I don't know what to do. I don't know where to go. I am innocent of this crime. My head is so clear. Onyeka muka kora. Onyeka muka wapuru.
Life is something so, oh yeah. No matter how fast you think you are, you cannot run away from your shadow. Life is give and take. Oh no, no, no.